Hi children, today we are discussing the divisibility tests of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, first of all, test of 2. A number is divisible by 2 if its ones digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. If we have these numbers either 0, 2 or 2, 4, 6 or 8 in its ones place, then that number is divisible by 2. That is the test. I have shown one example here. 1238 is divisible by 2 because its ones place digit is 8. Okay. Next is divisibility test of 3. This number, a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. For example, this number I have shown here 12,342 is sum of digits are 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2 which is equal to 12, and 12 is divisible by 3. So that number is divisible by 12,342 is divisible by 3. Okay. Now test of 4. A number is divisible by 4 if its last two digits are 0. Last two digits are 0 or the number formed by them is divisible by 4. So if the test of 4 is that if the last two digits are 0 or the number or otherwise that two digits form a multiple of 4, then that number is divisible by 4. For example, I have shown here 1200 is divisible by 4 because the last numbers are 0. So that number is divisible by 4. Another example, 3432. Last two digits are 32 only. So that number also divisible by 4. Okay. So this way we can find out whether the given number, however big the number, we can find out, we can say this number is divisible by 4. Okay. Now next is test of 5. Test of 5 is so easy that if the number have 0, either 0 or 5 in its ones place, then that number is divisible by 5. Okay. And test of 6 is test of 6. 6 you know is 2 into 3. Okay. Then a number, the given number is divisible by 3 as well as 2, then the whole number is divisible by 6. Okay, for example, I have shown here the number 6,930. 6,930. Okay, 6,930 has 0 in its ones place. Since it is 0, that number is divisible by 2. Next, see the number 3. Whether it is, we have to see whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. The sum of digits are 6 plus 9 plus 3 plus 0, which is equal to 6 plus 9 15 plus 3 18. 18 is divisible by 3. So the given number 6,930 is divisible by both 2 and 3. So the number is divisible by 6,930 is divisible by 6. Okay, this is the test of 6. So if you are given a number, then you have to test that number is divisible by 6. Then you have to test it for both 2 and 3. Okay. Now next is test of 7. Test of 7 is that a number is divisible by 7 if the difference between twice the last digit multiplied with 2, that is twice the last digit. Okay. And the number formed by the other digits. If we neglect that ones place number digit, then the remaining numbers form a number. No? Remaining digits form a number. That number and the twice of ones place digit number, and taking the difference of these two, and the difference is either 0 or the multiple of 7, or it is a multiple of 7, then that number is divisible by 7. That is the rule. Okay, let us say for example the number 2975. 2975. This number has 5 in its ones place. So first of all we are taking twice of 5. 2 into 5, that is 10. Okay, now neglecting 5, what we have, the other number 297. Now I am going to take 297 minus difference of this and twice the last digit number. 297 minus 10 is 287. 287 divided by 7. What do you get? 41. It is totally divisible by 7. So this number 2875 is divisible by 7. Clear? Last digit with multiplied with 2, then neglect that digit, remaining number form number, then difference of the 2, that number minus twice of one's digit number. Okay, then if it is 0 or a multiple of 7, then the whole number is divisible by 7. Okay, this is the rule. Next is divisibility test of 8. Divisibility test of 8 is more or less same as 4. Divisibility test of 4. What is it? A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by its last 3 digits. In the case of 4, divisibility test of 4, we had taken last 2 digits. But in case of 8, we are taking last 3 digits. If the last 3 digits form a multiple of 8, then the number is divisible by 8. For example, 436 I have taken here, 456, last 3 digit also is 456, then that number divided by 8 is 57. So that number is divisible by 57. You try for other numbers also, okay, then only you will clear that test. Okay, next is test of 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. Okay, that in the case of 3 also the same rule we have applied, this taking the sum of the digits and whether the sum is divisible by 3 or not. Okay, here also sum, we have to take the sum of digits, then we have to test whether that sum is divisible by 9 or not. This is the rule of 9, divisibility test of 9. Now divisibility test of 10 is clear that if a number have 0 in its ones place, then it is divisible by 10. Okay, that is the rule of 10. Okay, now divisibility test of 11 is remaining, that I will explain in the next class. Okay, now worksheet is given according to the class I have taught right now, divisibility test. Try to do these questions, okay, and whatever you feel doubt, you have to ask me in the WhatsApp group meeting. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay healthy. Okay, thank you.